we sign intwana encane ebuye Davidson ibuye Soweto ibuye Polokwane somewhere emaplazini le yasignwa ne-Chiefs. As much as we say obvious we sign inyuku ezincane thina masaqala udlala my first salary was 2.5. So for intwana ebuye kasi ngina 18 years ngithola 2.5 angakhe ngayibamba imali engako mfethu empilweni yami. Bangithatha bayangisayina, there's a signing on fee as well lapho.
Yeah.
First thing vele ngicabanga njengoba usho nami to buy clothes ukuthi ngibe muhle ngibonakala. A better contract comes into ecabanga yini ukuthenga itrans. That is any soccer player. But if financial literacy develop, if we were taught how to use money, how to save money or how to invest money, we would know ukuthi kuyo le 2.5 lencane bengiyithola, I should save something kuleyo salary yami, a certain percentage. I think that is important ukuthi you need to be able to know how to save a certain percentage of your salary. Ungathatha yonke imali uyidlile.
Mangiya ku Vodacom challenge eDurban ngeChiefs ngishayela amadods ngalitshela Olile ngathi mama kusasa this weekend neDurban sengisayinile angasayini ne-first team ngiyodlala le game le ye Vodacom because it was a friendly, it's a pre-season game. But once ngasebenza kahle kule game Maulid ngizothola i-professional contract ngizokubhayela idladla uphume emkhukhwini sizohlala soyi2. Lapho ngikwatela itime lami nabantu bakubo bangapha for what they did, which angeke ngiye kuzo, it's not about that. But ngizama ukubonisa abantu izinto abanokuzikhuluma abangazazi ukuthi why ungenza ngaso ungamazi umuntu ukuthi ubuyapi.
Yes.
So fast forward ngayisign i-contract i-Olile lam lesikhathi ngidlala belihlele emkhukhwini khona le piece nabangani balo bashaya ibhiya. Lathi umntanami lo bamphikisa. After game she called me wathi ngathi ngisaseDurban athi ngifuna la manje ngithi hayibo ngisaseDurban Maulidi sibuya kusasa sifly kusasa
Excitement Ole.
Ufuna ukugcwalisela laba because bahlala bonke emkhukhwini bacabanga ukuthi unamanga uyazibhikela. How can uthi wena uhlala inathi la emkhukhwini umntanakho avele TV ku Chiefs abe man of the match avele abe nje upload. So the following day ngeza mastatu kulenda I went straight there bangibona kwaba mnandi and ngathembisa Olile lami ukuthi ngizolibhayela ini idladla. And then Olile lami lagula and then lagcina lingishiye emhlabeni. Ngawubhaya imoto and azange ngibhaya imoto enkulu ngabhaya iCorsa GSI asangena amakhosa amancane and nakhona ngilithenga ku Gary Goldstone. Beka angasalisebenzisi he was my teammate uGary. Azange ngiyothenga umshini zisuka ngathenga into engilingene nale mali engiyiholayo. You understand? And then okuningi kwashintsha manje sekuthiwani sengibizwa ku national team sekuba nama extra 20 tawo. I think ku under 20 ku under 23 I mean bekuyi 20 tawo or 30 tawo. But ibafana bekuyi 40 tawo mabakubizile call. So izinto kahle lezo imali bengenza
bekuyinyuku lezi ke asithi
ile nyuku bekumele ngiyibeke. Yizo le nyuku lezo bekumele manje exactly. Yizo lezo nyuku mdladla bekumele ngizibeke. But mfana mangibuye ecampini intwana that's why benginokunyamalala ngisho ngingatholakala. Mina bengithi ngisayodlala inyuku.
But
mina bengithi ngisayodlala inyuku nginenyuku musi
uyibhuhuzi
le ya 40 tawa le mangibuya kubafana or kwa 23 but A-Wall igama le A-Wall ngalizwa ngami
mina ngilazi ngawo
mina ngilikeni ngalizwa manje ngiyafunda ngithi yini lento A-Wall manje ngalezo sikhathi kunala bo Google yabona ukuthi ngiyibambi hey
ngilazi ngawo
ngithi lento A-Wall
we need to find a solution my brother. Because whatever we went through, Mina now, even current players, they might be earning big monies today, but they are still going through the same mistakes. La weswa committee letin.
But sekuwabanye abantu manje.
Yes.
Sekuwabanye abantu manje.
But I'm saying in terms of spending imali recklessly, because like I said, we are not angels. We wanted to live a life engeke sikhona ukuthi si maintain or si sustain bekuyintonyana nje because ngena 20,000 then I was living life yami according to the 20,000 le. Shoot makuphela inyanga nenyuka iphelile. Ngimele the next salary. Players today still do that. Ngimele the next salary. So what happened in football my phela? Awusavanga next.
So wena bowuspenda ngani kahle kahle yakhe inyuku umdlala nje straight nje usho hayi mina grand hayi bengikhahlela la because mina ngizakutshela ama ithi ngizwe ngawe ithi ngizwe ngawe kuqala. Sanibonani bafethu, sanibonani ma South Africa. Yet another exciting episode. This is Jabu Mahlangu and we are Jabu Mahlangu and Diskishandis. Angihambi ngiyi1 namhlanje bafethu, ngihamba nesikhokho sami. Ntwana
Uthini Javas?
Ithada.
Yeah, my name is Busiso Mahlangu. Otherwise in football bangibiza u sense of knowledge. Yeah, nasiphethu uMacaste Unchained namhlanje. Kuzoyenzakalana kuzoba rough.
And please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button so that you can get the latest updates. Namhlanje mfana kithi on the show ntwanas. Ama topic esinawo space sokhuluma nge-financial literacy.
Yeah.
Ku football and mental health ku football.
Yeah.
What's your take nge mabakhuluma nje nge-financial literacy ku football ntwana?
In simple terms, financial literacy means knowing how to deal with money.
Yes.
That is in simple terms. Knowing how to use your money, knowing how to invest your money, knowing how to save, all those things. That's financial literacy.
So, yeah, knowledge ngempela.
Yeah.
Knowledge ngempela. Abakubizi knowledge.
Break it down and
Yeah.
it's easy nje, not for umuntu a layman term in layman terms for someone who's sitting at home ukuthi understand ukuthi what is financial literacy, especially in football. How to save your money, how to invest your money, how to use your money basically.
Yeah, and mele sisho futhi nasebantwini our viewers ukuthi asiyama financial advisor. We just talking about our experiences yabona ezenyuku because legama leli lihlezi livela lokuthi financial literacy.
Yeah.
But besingalazi. So mina in my case sense njengoba usho ukuthi it's how you use your money, how you invest your money. Mfana, I don't think mina lezo zinto lezo ngile ngazenza.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And at some point obviously mawusaqala uyintwana awuholi sharp.
Yeah.
Wamfrostana awuholi sharp masaseyintwana, so uba nalento ukuthi mara le mali incane le nyo investor ini la. Yabona nyo investor ini la ngihola imali so.
Yeah.
Into engifunayo idlupo, kumele ngishaye isidwadlo, ngibe muhle, and then ngibe ne car as soon as possible. And uthola ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi at that time especially sisadlala mfethu bonokulanda imoto uhola inyuku encane, ulande imoto ethatha almost half of your salary. Ama mistakes mina, one of the mistakes thingithi mina as uJabu during my career engizenzile because bowuthi mawudlalela iChiefs ne bekune Grootman bathumelusi beyisebenza eStandard Bank. All the players vele, all the players is signing ku Chiefs at that time yabo bozwa ngecall nje mawuceda ukusayina first training yakho nje mawuceda ukushawa nje uzwa ngecall yimu uBrabani Pramelusi siyakufuna lapha eStandard Bank sizokwazi ukukubonisa ngento zakho. Wena kwayenzakalani kuwe ntwana before ngizo break down ukuthi okay uPramelusi izinto bekathi uzosinceda ngazo yini nokuthi wayenzani kimi because angifuni ukukhulumela abanye abantu, ngifuna ukukhulumela mina. So wena kini kwayenzakalani when first time usigna that professional contract? What happened to you?
So mina Jabu ngizoyibeka so mfethu. The problem that we are having hence nale topic namhlanje financial literacy ukuthi we sign intwana encane ebuye Davidson ibuye Soweto ibuye ePulukwane somewhere emaplazini le. yasign ne-Chiefs. As much as we say obvious we sign inyuku ezincane thina masaqala ukudlala, my first salary was 2.5. So for intwana ebuye ekasi ngina 18 years ngithola 2.5. Ngakhe ngayibamba imali engako mfethu empilweni yami. Bangithatha bayangisayina, there's a signing on fee as well lapho.
Yeah.
First thing vele ngicabanga nje ngoba usho nami to buy clothes. Ukuthi ngibe muhle ngibonakala. A better contract comes, into ecabanga yini ukuthenga itrans. That is any soccer player. But if financial literacy develop, if we were taught how to use money, how to save money or how to invest money, we would know ukuthi kuyo le 2.5 lencane bengiyithola, I should save something kuleyo salary yami, a certain percentage. I think that is important. You need to be able to know how to save a certain percentage of your salary. Ungathatha yonke imali uyidlile. Imali inyanga iyophela uphelelwe nawe umele the next salary. So that's how you need to learn ukusave imali from the little that we were getting. Kumele uqale lapho ungathayi incane le mali, like you were saying.
Ngiyakuthola ntwana.
Ngibheka le mali ngibona ukuthi le mali incane. But from the little that you were getting, that's where we should have learned how to learn to save money from imali encane oyitholayo.
Yeah, because I think ngapromote nabo sorry man. Banjwa iflu ma South Africa ziyabuya. I-winter manje mara siyaqhubha. Mina ntwana, I remember when we were promoted ne bekuyimi I think Nonhlanhla no Isaac Mabutsa no Gerald Sibeko, which uyi team manager manje Chiefs. Vele, and I stand to be corrected. You understand? I think our first salary tina bekuyi at least 6. I think bekuyi 6 gross. Obviously isazotaxwa bese ibuyela kubo 4 point. So kushuthi bengokushaya ngenyuko. No lezi shuthi bengokushaya ngenyuko. Awuthandi. Shuthi bengokushaya ngenyuko. So ukhulume enye into ebalulekile. Yes. Beyincane at that time because but omunye umuntu angathi mara for that age i6 tower mhlambe iningi leyo mali. Yes, iningi for that age but kune black tax.
Yeah.
Ngumuntu omnyama mina. Ekasi kunama family members whereby kumele nami ngibacabangele kule 4 point something after tax because utaxman phela it's a given kumele athathe into yakhe. Utaxman kumele athathe into yakhe. Then uyabheka edladleni kuyabheda. You understand? Uma mncane naye mhlambe ngapha uningcosi ezi2 3 nakhona uma mncane naye kuyabheda akunaspan. So le 4 point something mili accommodate the whole of ifamily including nami life yami because imali yami le isetshenzelwa yimi at the end of the day
superstar
ne life yami yobu superstar. You understand? So ukhuluma into ebalulekile ukuthi why ngiraise lama issues ukuthi abantu mele ba understand because I know abanye bazothi yeah but 6,000 I was 19, I was 18 turning 19. I was turning 19, yeah. It was 1999 when I got promoted, yeah. So omunye uzothi yo at 19 but it was a decent man but I've got a family ekasi. You understand? Ekumele nabo ngibayenzele kuyo le mali le. So automatically mdladla sengine stress. Ngijabulile ukuthi ngisayinile because I've worked hard to get that professional contract. I've worked hard. There was no favors but manje masengena lapha yana ngena manje immediately ngicela ukungena kuvumbuka amanye ama responsibilities amanye manje amakhulu kakhulu.
So lento isho le right because all of us, most of us we come from poor backgrounds.
Yes.
When you sign mele uqale ekhaya wenzeni uyilungise kini, abanye babuye emikhukhwini, abanye benzeni, so you need to go and build your family a house. and ena leyo 4.5 mina ena leyo 2.5, so I need to save leyo 2.5, including maybe signing on fee yami to go, and that's me now telling you what I did maybe with my first contract.
Okay, all right, yeah, okay.
I save nyana kuleyo 2.5, and also a little bit of the signing on fee I got. I think it was about 60,000 rands. I have to go back. Ekhaya, it's a 4-room house. Edladleni C6, including my parents 8. The house is too small. You understand? So I need to do what? Extend the house. So that's money. Abantu abangayi understand when they look at us and say you played professional football, but then wenzeni ngemali yakho. But they don't look ukuthi wenzeni kini, wenzile kini, but wena as a human being unani. Thina as abodaki kumele sicale from ekhaya.
Yeah, it's not choice.
Ngeke uqala uyele uyophela if let's say for instance ekhaya besi grand, I was going to buy myself maybe a smaller nyana house eKasi, you understand?
Yeah.
Nisibhayile nyana idladlanyana inyana elincane la Davidton engazi ukuthi maybe this is an investment house.
Yes.
Yabo. So those are the things that sizenzile, but singazi try ukuthi sizenze nathi intwana ngathi phela we were angels.
Yeah.
Pinda ilife yobu superstar into ngikutshela yona ukuthi we feel the pressure of ukuvela TV, and then we play professional football. You feel ukuthi kumele uphile a certain lifestyle, and that's the biggest downfall yama soccer players.
Okay.
South Africa, because sifuna ukuphila wena uqeda ukusayina namhlanje uthole for instance who did you find there guy season player John Shoes Mushwe for instance ungababala.
Yeah, mina ngithole
uThemba Mnguni mina laphi.
Okay.
Uyangithola. So those people at Super Sport.
Okay.
Ngithola uThemba Mnguni, all the big name players ngibathola lapha. So ufuna nawe because manje so uqala ukudlala, you want to come now uzophila njengabo. Those people are earning big monies.
You know, I can relate because mina kweyami ne I like the way ushuthi wena wenzeni ngemali yakho. Mina this is what I did. Mangicela ukusign Tina because besibuya ku academy ne we never had a signing on fee for the first 3 years. I stand to be corrected futhi. Remember saying my memories wabantu, it was long time ago, it was 1999. Angisakhumbuli kahle. But maybe one day abonhlanhla bazoza la studio masikhuluma ngamanye ama issues sizakhumbuzana la sikhumbuzana khona, but I know ukuthi thina besinganayo signing on fee, it was straight salary. I understand. And then I had to prove myself kuma Grootman njengabo Thabo Moki, Frank Makua, the late Chilis, may his soul rest in peace. Lapho ke indoda iChiefs bekusathiwa Thabo Thiba Thabang.
Yeah.
Paul Ndlanya lapha phambili Grootman yalaikazi, Robson Mchichwa ngale ku left wing. Hey ndoda hey kubophile ndoda. Bophile, you understand? So but ngafika with that confidence ukuthi okay sengisayinile la okay edladleni nathi besingekho grand ukuthi siyahlupheka ukuthi yo silala sitatazela singena kudla, no besidla normal nje, normal food every day ukudla sokuthola. You understand? Mawubuya esikolweni uyaliphinda lela papa nalela khabishi la izolo, akuna stress, ulaludlile. Uyabona silonga ubuye egroundini mawubuya uzodla. So what I did is bengikhulele la eDavidton mina ngamagreza la eMashanganeni. So at that time there were family issues ku marriage yetime lam ne old lam. Why I'm raising this, ngizokutshela why I'm unpacking this, because I've heard people saying mara akayenzanga next la khulile khona la eDavidton. But bengibayeka abakhulume istory sami ngingakakhulumi mina my own story. So mangihlala la ngeza ngizovakasha mina la eDavidton. I-ole lami mina ngibuya mina bengihlala eBurgersdal. And I've never given iLokishi lami iBurgersdal that credit. Ngimfana Burgersdal na.
Kahle kahle.
Yeah, West Rand, uptown. Ma uptown. Rekafela bafethu nkasilibali. Ma Davidton is sayitsankari ang owner lwano.
Ngikrunywe yisi la Davidton.
Ngikrunywe iDavidton mara ngibuye eBurgersdal. Perliza. sithi Berleza Mahlanyeni bayangithola bona ukuthi ngithini. Uptown, you understand? Ngikhule ngidlala la ngeza ngize for ama holidays.
Okay.
Ne? I came on holidays ngo December. I-Ole Lam neThema Lam they were married. Umama Mahlangu, Joyce Mahlangu and Daniel Mahlangu. Bashadile, but they were separated, not divorced. Okay. So obviously uhlala ne-Ole vele esikhathini esiningi. We understand because iThema lihlale lingekho nalo. So when I came like Davidton, because ibheke style incane uyayazi incane ke ikasi yami incane kakhulu namanje saseyincane ayina ne stadium even kumanje basakha basiphuza abantu i-stadium angazi ukuthi baswisa kanjani lesa stadium abantu banamandla
asikusevile
mfethu abantu besikhona they tried to build a stadium but sagcine yazi locally ngeke wazi bacala ngokuphula ama window wama dressing room bacala ngokukhipha amapompi sigcina saba vandalized vele sagcina sifa vele. So coming back to the issue le, so mangifika la December mina I liked iDavidton ngayibona ukuthi it's ikaseli ngathi likhrotinyana kune Bekestal young Frostan and ama kusho ukuthi which means ama opportunity awe diski ngoba ngintwana ye diski azoba maningi kuphi mangapha eDavidton.
So how old were you
at that time? Our bengintwana man bengisase I think boma 9 10.
Yeah, because phela mina ngikwazi boma under 12.
Sazana nawe around leyo age. Yeah, ngafika la I think benginabo 9. So fast forward ngatshela old lady makumele ngibuyele endlini eBekestal ngoJanuary. Mele ngibuyele ku old lady. Ngathi ku old lady no. Ma old lady mina ngicela ukungabuyeli edladlini eBekestal because I see more opportunities at Davidton la at Davidton. You understand? I see more opportunities. I see better facilities, infrastructure nyana yabona izinto nyana bezikhona la eDavidton compared to iBekestal. Okay. Because iBekestal even at that time being high school A1 kuphela ikasi lonke. So it will tell you ukuthi ikasi elincane kanjani. You understand? Lincane, yabo. So iOle Lam la time mfana because bekangisupporta vele ngendaba yedisk. What it's fine mntanami. Still nalapho ukini kusaso babakho. So ngihleli kanjalo mina la eDavidton.
Okay.
You understand? So fast forward iOle Lam leza lazosijoina la eDavidton. Sengayi manje sesazana sesidlalela iSmiling Path. Okay, sicale ku Sampdoria ngadlalela iBlackpool. Okay mina ngidlalela iBlackpool then ngadlalela iSampdoria then kula sihlangane khona kuSampdoria and then Sampdoria sathi then mina ngaya kuSmiling Paths which was the big team then iSmiling Paths ekuruleng eIsrael because sabizwe Israel at that time. You understand? Then bese ngithemba sengu professional iOle Lam neThema Lam before evening sign besilihlala ngapha sesihlala sonke la eDavidton siwumndeni la emabuya mangidlali Ole Lam besigcokela lapha edladlini uyabona akukho kude Ole Lam belisiphekela sonke ukudla so she was very supportive that woman. That's why ngizoba emotionally kancane mangikhuluma ngeOle Lam because she invested a lot in me and believed in me, you know. She will come groundini ngikhumbula masidlala lapha mangidribula umuntu bangikape beligena lona egroundini nalo nifishana nobufishana lapha ningelithi wena azokhaba umntanami uyinkomo asangithi ube inkomo wena, you know. And lento leyo ukuthi abazali abantu abamnyama bebangasapho mina umama uyizamile shem
we try
shem owami umama uyizamile. I don't want to lie but I know most of us abazali abayingini but owami uyizamile mdladla so he will come wherever she can and then baqabana ne old lady wavaya and wahamba kabuhlungu la so wahamba kabuhlungu mangithi kabuhlungu wagula wayebhedlela. Fast forward ngasign a professional contract ngamthembisa one thing and lapho mase ngisign I professional contract iOle Lam beselihlala eThema emkhukhwini kunendawo lapha bathi kusepeace eThema bekuyimikhukhu la mangiya ku Vodacom challenge eDurban ngeChiefs ngishayela amadozi ngalitshela Ole ngathi mama kusasa this weekend ngiye eDurban sengisayinile angasayini ne first team ngiyodlala le game le ye Vodacom because it was a friendly, it's a pre-season game. But once ngasebenza kahle kule game Maulid ngizothola i-professional contract ngizokubhayela idladla uphume emkhukhwini sizohlala soyi2 lapho ngikwatela itime lami nabantu bakubo bangapha for what they did which angeke ngiye kuzo, it's not about that but ngizama ukubonisa abantu izinto abanokuzikhuluma abangazazi ukuthi why ungenza ngaso ungamazi umuntu ukuthi ubuyapi.
Yes.
So fast forward ngayisign i-contract i-All Lam lesikhathi ngidlala belihlele emkhukhwini khona le piece nabangani balo bashaya ibhiya lathi umntanami lo bamphikisa. After game she called me wathi ngathi ngisaseDurban athi ngifuna la manje ngithi hayibo ngisaseDurban Mauledi sibuya kusasa sifly kusasa
Excitement ole.
Ufuna ukugcwalisela laba because bahlala bonke emkhukhwini bacabanga ukuthi unamanga uyazibhikela. How can uthi wena uhlala inathi la emkhukhwini umntanakho avele TV ku Chiefs abe man of the match avele abe nje upload. So the following day ngeza mastatu kulenda I went straight there bangibona kwaba mnandi and ngathembisa All Lam ukuthi ngizolibhayela ini idladla. And then All Lam lagula and then lagcina lingishiye emhlabeni. Ne mali ngishiye emhlabeni ngaba nesilonde serious towards ifamily yami yangapha yaka ubabami. Then ngadlala that season themba sengicela ukudlala sengenza vele manje i-story manje sengiyi regular by improve the contract yami I think from that 6 to 12 if I'm not mistaken to 12th hour obvious with ilento manje this time with a signing on fee angisayikhumbula bekuyimali no 80,000 if I'm not mistaken ne bayikhuphula lapho. You know what Bobby did? Bobby played a big role le Hotman le Bobby Mtaung Bob Steak he took that money because I'm sure bengayidla noma bese ngimthembisile umama. You understand ukuthi ngizombhayela idladla but masengena mhlambe bengadideka I don't know but uBob Steak he took it upon yena himself uyabona ukuthi no siyazi imali zakaJabu ho siyazibamba he already libode
Shit.
Already ngibona few months nje libode. Uyayizwa manje
I can imagine ukuthi kwenzani ke
la ikhanda kwenzakalani mara I still perform on the pitch 100 but manje ngihlangahlangene mental spiritual uyangithola but after funeral uBob Steak wangihlalisa phansi wathi mfana kithi uyathanda uthandi
sebakulungisele ntwana naye ngoba le flu
ayi bafethu le flu yangibulala athi ngithi kancane
amanzi
shayela amanzi James uyi
ngiyakuzwa wena Java
ne fast forward sense ngingakhuluma isikhathi eside siyongena kulento ye financial literacy ukuthi uBob Steak then ngathi mina Bob Steak ngiyakulalela ufuna senzeni because All Lam alisekho umuntu bengithi mina nyomenzela something sicede ukumbeka manje angisho besimbeka sonke besisonke wathi akunankinga mina ngakhile edladleni eBhekestal mina edladleni ku smart eBhekestal angisho ukuthi la ngithi akukho kumele kube kubi la eDavidson but
you had issues
I had issues I had issues and I was not
affected,
and then All Lam lingitshelile certain things ekungamelanga ngizenze.
Yes.
Uyangizwa?
No, I understand.
So fast forward mina ngakhila endlini from lapho ngawubhaya imoto and azange ngibhaya imoto enkulu ngabhaya iCorsa GSI asangena amakhosa amancane and nakhona ngilithenga ku Gary Goldstone beka angasalisebenzisi he was my teammate okay azange ngiye ngiyothenga umshini zisuka ngathenga into engilingene nale mali engiyiholayo you understand and then okuningi kwashintsha manje sekuthiwani sengibizwa ku national team sekuba nama extra 20 tawo I think ku under 20 ku under 23 I mean bekuyi 20 tawo or 30 tawo but bafana bekuyi 40 tawo mabakubizile call so yizo izinto kahle lezo imali bengenza
yeah bekuyinyuku lezi ke asithi
ile nyuku bekumele ngibeke yizo le nyuku lezo bekumele manje exactly yizo lezo nyuku mdladla bekumele ngizibeke but hayi mfana hayi mangibuye ecampini ntwana that's why benginokunyamalala ngisho ngingatholakala hayi mina bengithi ngisayodlala inyuku
but
mina bengithi ngisayodlala inyuku nginenyuku musi
uyibhuhuzi
hey le ya 40 tower le mangibuya kubafana or kwa 23 but A-wall igama le A-wall ngalizwa ngami
mina ngilazi ngawe
mina ngilikeni ngalizwa manje ngiyafunda ngithi yini lento A-wall manje ngalezo sikhathi akunalabo Google yabona ukuthi ngiyibambi hey
ngilazi ngawe
ngithi lento A-wall yini lento le you know so but we are saying here why we telling the story ukuthi guys if ngalezo imali ezama under 23 appearance under 20 and neze bafana na isalary eyami yaseteamini
and also winning ama cups
lapho besiwina ke ama cup yeah beswashaya ama cup so I can't falter kakhulu anyone except myself ukuthi I was going through whatever I was going through ngefamily ngicela ukuyichaza kancane but I had a chance also to do better in terms of how to manage my money so ubaba Melusi uvela sekangibizela Standard Bank eJozi sengenza ama credit card sengenza ama petrol card sengenza ama checkbook angizikeni
mara
yabo ejo mina bengiphatha icheckbook mfethu bengukugcwalisela ngecheckbook mase ngintana sakahle mina bonayo uyithole va wena
Melusi Standard Bank mfethu into ngifuna uvela uMelusi kanti uMelusi simthatha
hey mfethu
because
mfethu
nami ngathi ngiceda ukusayina ngahlohlwa nguMelusi and mina ngiku passport le
wena kungali
ngale Pitori mara ngilethwa la eJozi ukuthi uMelusi lo simthathapi
I think
namba ngishanga check nami lingaga
I think mdladla ne iGotmane Grand uyabona iGotmane Grand angeke ngithi ngimkhuluma blind iGotmane Grand blind but I think kunala aspicise khona kakhulu siyintwana I mean ngale yamali bengiyihola and then ungihlohla zonke lezi zinto without ukungiexplainela like kahle ukuthi credit card yini because mina ngiyabona ukuthi la anginamali ithi 00 mara mangiswipe mangibala ngithi eliyashelela man uyang understand out time so ngifile ngathi mina mase the more sengikhula ngifile ngathi iGotman nayo mara be incindezele
bekayini kahle kahle ufanele
angikeni
if these teams could bring umuntu njengoMelusi surely they could bring a financial advisor to us and say guys we just signed a contract here's a financial advisor listen to this guy azokusiza ngemali zakho on how to invest your money
yazi bekwenzakalani I remember iChiefs beyisasponsor yi Standard Bank nePirates Chiefs and Pirates both teams bezisponsor yiStandard Bank so but ukuthi yena ukuze kanjani ukuthi each and every player eyeChiefs sign a contract young or foreigner because even nama foreigners phela kunamanye bewafika la mele bawavulela ama bank account wangayi and bezendlelwa huye bekuhuye zonke angazi ideal but angazi mfethu I won't say I've failed uBramelusi I think yena he failed me because ungifake ezikweletini ngekho ready zazo zonke lezi zinto lezi zizokuchazwa ama credit card petrol card checkbook I mean lezo zinto khane ngibona mase ngikhula ukuthi apparently lezi zinto lezi zingifake esikweletini because mina ngiyashelela ngiyashelela and then end of the month bayayicela
le amali yami
mabayicela ngiyachubeka futhi ngiyashelela la ngiyashelela
uloko ungena deep
ngibele ngena the end of the month bayayicela so you right ukuthi I think they should have brought proper I'm not saying it's not a proper but ama financial advisors to ukuthi basibeke phansi and also yonke leyo process bayenza without one of ama parents or umuntu omdala wakini
so bakunika all these all lama facilities la umelusi akunikeza wona awazi
Angazi
next
next ngiyi-one. Why kungathiwanga-
izinto lezi mfethu
why ngathiwa unobani endlini okhona
yeah
if bekuthiwa vele this thing bafuna ukuyenza ukuthi sure I-avoid ukuthi ngihlupheke mangiceda ukudlala ibhola
yeah
so azange yenzeke kanjalo.
yeah maybe ntwana we should have umelusi na come to this platform azosicocela ukuthi kahle yena bekuyini I-role yakhe kuma soccer players at that time. Yes, beka provide those facilities ukuthi sikhona ukuba but ugaya intwana encane checkbook uyenzani checkbook.
Why bebangabizi iGrootman? Yes. Bangathi ngine Grootman mfethu. At that time babomkhulu wami bekasasekhona bakhona I mean family members change ngisho kanjalo abadala ukuthi okay sifuna umfana abe into zakhe zibe kahle imali yakhe isaveke azokwazi ukuthi abe nesaselihle financially because ngebholo siyazi ukuthi hayi isasa lakhe lihle ibholo umnandi but sifuna la nakhona ukuthi simprepare donsani umuntu omdala owase Jardine you understand so that naye azokhona ukungibonisa after baceda ukubeka zonke lezi zinto on the table sikwazi ukubuyela ekhaya sizoyidiscussa ne member yomndeni as ngintwana ngina 19 njoba ngisho ukuthi ngisane ngina 19 ngazini ngalezi zinto angizazi lezi zinto lezi so I feel ukuthi somehow something's fishy there.
No mara mina we need to find a solution my brother because whatever we went through mina now even current players they might be earning big monies today but they are still going through the same mistakes la esiwakhomithile thina
but sekuwabanye abantu manje
yes
sekuwabanye abantu manje
but I'm saying in terms of spending imali recklessly because like I said we are not angels we wanted to live a life engeke sikhona ukuthi si maintain or si sustain bekuyintonyana nje because ngena 20,000 then I was living a life yami according to the 20,000 le should makuphela inyanga nenyuka iphelile ngimele the next salary players today still do that ngimele the next salary so what happens football my phela awusavanga next
so wena bowuspenda ngani kahle yakhe inyuku umdlala nje straight nje usho ukuthi hayi mina grand hayi bengikhahlela la because mina ngizakutshela ama ithi ngizwe ngawe kuqala ithi ngizwe ngawe kuqala ntwana yeah because why we ngiraise le question la sikhuluma ngathi and we talking about our experience thina bafethu ningasithathi kabi sikhuluma ngami usenze ukukhuluma ngaye so ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi usense yena eyakhe imali bekayiboxa ngani because akaze babhale ephepheni ukuthi a wall sense mfana asibreakele down mfana bowudla ngani imali mfana
no mfethu like we say I never earned mina inyuke buy it's just that lento sikhuluma ngayo financial literacy and saving money bese ngayazi so the little money so I was living life yami I think it's nama players who were big players so they were maybe earning big monies in there la bebadlala khona and I mean I was earning maybe la but we simuva kuma same circles driver sonke siphila sonke and you try to keep up standard now ukuthi ube lapho uyangithola but you are not there so that is peer pressure of wanting to own now imoto ukuthi masebajiteni nami I'm driving a Range Rover uyangithola mashikile nami stay in a 2 million house but mawuyibheka lento lena ayikho sustainable lento le because ngibhadala ibond yes ngiya afford ibond yale ya 2 million ngiya afford ilontuzane but makuphela inyanga ngisala ngina next you understand
le arrange le ayingiyaziyo le
yeah
usuthi lapha yana bozama ukukeep up bantwana
ngiya keep up baba ngizama ukupasa emgangathweni
uzama ntwana ile bemnyama ne
bemnyama
kanti bozikhambe kangaka ntwana
no mara to be honest
ngiyakhumbula no lechi mfana yebo mfethu
mara to be honest ne bengangihami ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi
Yeah.
ngihamekile
Yeah.
bengikhola ukuphila kahle like I was
but
affording.
bongaya
But indaba yokuthi ukusave ntwana ilontuzana, I could have saved so much, but I paid a Range Rover.
eish
I was paying a bond. Yeah, how much I was paying a bond at the time was about my 12,000.
yo
At that time,
ngalesa sikhathi you
You understand?
12 tower
12,000 ntanga. So
Hey,
those
man.
are the things I'm saying. Maybe I could have bought maybe a townhouse nyana, ngibhadale 5 tower, ngizihambele ngepolo.
Yeah.
Relax. How much I could have saved.
yo yeah no
That is financial literacy engikhuluma ngayo manje, where you see players driving ama Porsche, driving all these cars. It's unnecessary because it's not sustainable. It's not gonna last. Awufani nomuntu into anosipanayo. You see those things bengis afford. If maybe bengispana nje ngishaya 9 to 5, it was okay. Because
unama benefits futhi espanini mawuspane
the career yini,
Career yini.
lana ndoda, your career is short. You can't live impilo ngathi when udlala ibhola forever. You're not. So you need to think for tomorrow.
so mdladla singakungeni excuse me bafethu ngibanjwa iflu kamampela yabona mina bekuyi utshwala mina imali yami ngispende kakhulu yona leyo noma bengazi ukuthi mdladla I deserved to be paid more
Yeah.
ne noma bengiyintwana because of umsebenzi wami wasegroundini khohlwa ukuthi kwenzakalani sikhuluma kuqala enkundleni ngifike ngastempa iauthority kunama grootman engwabalile lawa answimbu blind including umdokisi before naye azo retire few years azo retire ngidlalile naye ushoes makabuya phesheya naye ungithole ngida so and I was now a key player I was deciding games mina
You were the eighth boy of South African football.
yeah I was deciding games and uSiril uzokutshela uGrootman unzama ethanda inyuka ngisho le ethanda inyuka ublind le izokutshela ukuthi hayi thola ukuthi ngibuya ukudla inyu ngilove mina I mean mangibuya ngisemacaleni obvious kumele bangiphanishe because it's a team sport and I company nayo inama rules and regulations uyabona but sometimes abuya abe ne soft spot mara bafethu le mayikhona kune plan and ngizohola athi ngizohola ibonus ngizoyithola hey makangekho siba ne problem you understand so mina ngicede kakhulu ngotshwala namantombazana yabona amantombazana ayeceda inyuku awuthiyami bayeceda inyuku and then obvious nabangani ke you know because at some point before ngithrowa ngingahlala noNomvethe nini ngahlala ngiyi1 and then lapho usquatisa ama out phela thina sihlale sisecampini every week ubashiya nenyuku yokudla inyuku yotshwala ukudla ifridge bayishaye bayibekelele so those are the things mdladla esizenza ile so and we're sharing this because we want to come up with a solution so what do you think will be the solution because masingakhuluma sokhuluma kuze kuyovala ukuthi sispende kanjani yabo I think it's enough we can now say yini into ekungaba isolution sense kule financial literacy esingayenza to help the current one because basayenza the very same thing later esizikhuluma ezokudrive big cars ezokuspenda imali etshwaleni exactly what we did traveling to traveling to all over utravelise nestoko ngapha ususa istoko saseJozi usise ePE ngoba uyodlala ePE ususe sase PE usilise Durban they still do it so what can we now say when can we put a stop to this and make sure ukuthi ama player lento le iyangena la ukuthi ndoda this thing imnandi emehlweni but in real life maso retire masobamba 40 years uyaphezulu la sekumele uphile weight matters most sewunencusi sekumele uphile manje without ukwenzelwa izinto remember my professional futhi siba spoiled angisho during the career mawushoda ngane home affairs in uyaye kuba nomuntu uyakudrive yokwenzela imali yakho mayishoda ngane endlini or usecampini ba uthumela uzibani uyaya lapha yana ufike yonke into yenza so yini into kumele sithole isolution mdlala oyicabangayo wena as much as sishilo ukuthi we are not financial advisors besishare nje ukuthi thina imali yethu besidla kanjani
I think but experience is the best teacher So for me, I think I think PSL must play a role because they've seen ukuthi we can't save money as soccer players. No one has taught us anything about saving money. We don't have the skill. It's not just soccer players. Just take any boy from Ekasi, any boy, any young boy, 19, 20, 21, 22, mkainyo. They are bound to go out of the way. I'm telling you, if they don't have the skills of using you. So I'm saying, Mina.
Yeah.
PSL must play a role. They should partner maybe with these financial institutions.
Okay.
And maybe come up with a program where maybe they would force players to save money. For instance, Jabu, you sign a contract for 3 years that is worth maybe 3 million or 4 million or 5 million. They can say for that duration of 3 years, they can take maybe 10% of your salary. Or of the contract as a whole, 10% of it or 20, even 20%. Bakusevele yona through abo Old Mutual, all these financial institutions. Partner with them. Bashathele imali leyo basibekele yona ukuthi maybe when you are 35 years old, you can have access to that money. That's one solution mina engiyibonayo that can work. Force players to save their money.
So
I'm telling you, Joe, kunzima ukusave imali. Ihlula bona abantu abagelezile.
And nalaba basigxekayo ukuthi kuma social media basigxekayo. Mbheke yena masombona sombheko umbheke umbheke ukuthi nje yena simazi yena wazithini. Okay asikho lapho but good advice Mdladla ngivumelana nawe before sizoyivala ngivumelana nawe ntwana ukuthi PSL yeah I think they need to enforce and mina to add on that foot not even if mhlambe even if you sign a 3 years akube into standard ukuthi once you retire you announce your retirement sayithatha le 10% angisho usase active.
Yes.
Once you announce your retirement leyo mali sizakunika.
Yeah.
So ingahambi ngokuthi mhlambe ngama contract because ngama contract akube into nje standard.
Listen, let me break it down for you, Jabu. A soccer career maybe can last you for like 10 years, for instance. So ngiyasuka manje I started at SuperSport. Whatever contract yamu that was worth, maybe it was worth R1 million. Maybe but I take 10% of that, which is 100,000 rand by save. When I move to Vets, I'm signing a contract for another 3 years. The other 3 years later, if it's worth 5 million or 2 million, they take 10% of that by save. So when I retire, maybe let they say it's like a retirement fund. I'm going to retirement fund. It's about we told in Gonjimale retirement. Man, what 65, 60. So for soccer players, with long retire at 35, that's when I can have access to that money. Your baller since in since in Kala until in
Okay.
So they should not give you maybe let's say we give baller on 28.
Yeah.
Awuna access leyo.
Yeah, bengifuna ukukubuza because isikhathi sincane.
Is it immature enough until at the age of 35?
Ifana noma ushelwe ilifa abazali noma bangasekho wena uphila but okusalayo bathe 25 years. I think it's a good idea. Lastly mfethu kunama agents.
Yeah.
Kunama agents. Ama agents wona yini umsebenzi wawo kanti wena ama player awasave imali amisuse inyuku but siyawabona mawasayina ama big contracts awayenzi because namanje akhona ama agents but ama players still ayakhawateka because azange sisakhona nokugena ku issue ye mental health because this issue was so sensitive. Ziyahambelana. You understand? That's why you find out ukuthi after the game, after you retire, kuba ngathi abanye abajita kuba ngathi abasaphilanga kahle la ekhanda. It's because of obviously awusena nyuku usuka to a 2 million house, you were driving all those Range Rovers and stuff. So what is the real role kanti kahle kahle yama agent because when I think nabo kumele bafake isandla abadlala irole ukuthi umfana wabo iclient yabo must save. but it seems like we still talking the same thing generation after generation.
Ama agent aloku akhona.
Alibela khona.
Big agents. Akhona ama big agents mfethu, I can count them, and they had big players. Namhlanje lama players lawa yahlupheka. And they bona bayaqhubeka ngebusiness yabo.
Bathatha abanye abasha.
Yes, and for me I think it's their role to assist us, because they are a manager ngithi. So what are they managing? What are they managing? They should assist us as soccer players ukuthi save imali. They should bona nabo, because maybe le ngisho mina of PSL partnering with financial institutions, maybe the agent should go to these institutions and say, yazini, I have a player nali ngicela nimsizeni ngeimali zakhe nazi. Uyangithola? I think they should play a role, otherwise sizoqhubeka ngalendlela lena esikuyo. But ama agents ntwana, they need to play a big role nabo in assisting ama players. Mara ama player now uyawazi nayo imali mayengeno now, hayi imali yami, this is my money. Asifuna ukumamela sometimes.
Ayi bafethu asimameleni bafethu, sishare indaba zethu la ezi serious, because mina ngikhathele lento generation after generation. Phela lesikhathi mina ngidlala mfethu sesizoyivala ngoba isikhathi sesiphelile awuthiyami. Abantu cabanga mfethu ama generation wa before thina
abolo thina sidlale obvious generation yabo,
thina bekungconywana bese yabona kuhlaphukelwa kancane, but we still talking the same thing, so akuna solution. Ama teams party bafethu la kujaba uMahlangu discussion this nibonile nimzwile usense ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi iPSL and the agents and how they can collaborate, they must find each other to collaborate strictly ngendaba yokuthi kubekwe imali a certain percentage eyama player mabasadlala and babekelwe until bazo retire, because iyenzeka kwamanye ama country eEurope where they even earn triple more than us la ku PSL, but still basabekelwa imali. And bafethu imali is not easy, it's not easy ukuthi umamele noma ubani masesone nyuku. To the current players, please guys, if those guys these financial guys mabeza kini, ningajaheli ukubachahaza nijaheli ukuyongena emotweni, bamameleni. Listen to these people bafethu. That 10 minutes it will help you maseso icareer yakho seyizophela bafethu, because lento okuhlala ukujahela ukungena emotweni, ukujahela ukuya ema mall, some they come, they approach and sibavalela ngaphandle, because anyway vele imali yakho angeke bakuforce. But I'm saying leyo 10 minutes ozoyinikeza that financial advisor ozayo kuwe ngento ngengqondo right, with clear intentions ezokuthi ufuna vele ukubona ukuthi financially uinveste ku property. There's a lot of things ongazenza while you still playing bafethu. There's a lot of things ongazenza while you still playing. Ungainvesta ku property, ungainvesta ku accommodation, transport while usadlala. Any business still ingakenzela imali. So let's give these people ebama financial advisors a chance. If you see now ukuthi you don't get any help, nawe go out there uyazi ukuthi uhola malini and ubonile uyezwa ukuthi kwenzakalani, unless ufuna ukuyizwa induku le esizwile thina masesesiretire eyokuthi ungabi ube homeless, u lose all the cars, u lose all the friends, and abanye you even lose a wife.
Yeah.
Abanye you even lose a wife, because kunabanye abajita abashadile, kunabanye abantu besifazane abafike empilweni zamajita ngoba ama superstars, izinto mazihamba kabi abafazi bayabaleka. Nabangani kuba nabangani abafikile during your career, abafike bakuncanywe bakubamba ilibheki, bakupholishela amateki, bakukwashela ama sneaker, mase ku blind badla phansi. So bafethu, please don't forget to like and subscribe, share and hit that notification bell so that you can get the latest updates. Sense of knowledge. Nyabonga awuthiyami bafethu. I think le episode izosifundisa kakhulu, because raw we spoke about our own experiences, nothing else. This is what we went through, and imali besidla the way usenza idle ngakhona ushilo nami the way bengidla ngakhona sishilo. So bafethu nali boots nali boots ipazuka it's made eSoweto, lenziwe eSoweto bafethu 2150 liyatholakala Sharp Clothing, ishop yakhona ise Omonde south of Johannesburg bafethu. Iwinter ifikile njoba nibona nami ukuthi ifuna ukungihlasela le flu mara siyayilwisa. See you on the next episode bafethu. Danko.
Yeah, and on the next episode nami ngizabe ngilishayile ntwana yabona limnandi liwom kamnandi ne
Pure leather.
hayi pure leather ngiyalibona mfethu. Yeah bafethu, yeah. In the comment section there's a link there, please go there, you will find Amalo Ntuzane, all our social platforms. Asibonge, thank you.